Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to edit multiple photos at once on an iPhone. So let us get started. First, to mass edit photos on an iPhone, it should be running on iOS 16 or higher. Then, open the Photos app and select the first photo you want to edit. Tap Edit and apply the desired edits and adjustment to the photo. Once you are satisfied with the edits, tap Done to save the changes. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Copy Edits. This action will copy all the adjustments and settings you made to the photo. Now, go back to your album, View and tap Select. Choose all the photos you want to apply the same edits to. You need at least 2 photos, the original photo with your edits, and another photo to apply the edits to. After selecting the photos, tap the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Paste Edits. This action will apply the same set of edits to all the selected photos. A message will appear to confirm that the edits have been applied to the selected photos. By using the batch editing feature, it is a useful tool for photographers and anyone who wants to quickly enhance a series of photos with consistent edits. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.